Hi everyone and welcome to the second section of HTML5. In this section we will learn some more tags related to HTML5. So unordered list. What are unordered lists? In unordered list, if we want to display some items or data in the list format, so we use ordered list and unordered list. So in this video we will discuss order and unordered lists. So ordered list means if we sequence the data in organized way, so we give numbering to them, we use order, and if we want to make them in bullet form and unordered form, so we use unordered lists. So let's see how does it work. So for that we need to create our file unordered.html, and we have to create basic skeleton for that, and now rename the title unordered list tags. So in the body we will just write our code. So I want to create UL with the UL tag to create our unordered list, and I want to create some product. I want to list some names of the students. So you have to create li or list tag inside the UL tag, enter that, and you need to rename that John, and copy that and paste John Smith, and you have to copy that and paste that John Bello, and this is our list of students. And I want to okay, so this is our list of students in unordered list. So let's see how does it look like. So you will need to copy the path and paste over here, and let's refresh the page. Now you can see that this is the list of students that we can display with the unordered list. So I can use type for that, type. So I can change the bullet format, this format, unordered list format. So I can use a circle for that. So it will change. I need to save the file. Okay, circle. Okay, you can see that I have changed the bullet format. So you can also use a circle for that, and you can also use a square. Okay, so this is how you can change the list format or the list bullets with using the type element. So you can also use unordered list, sub unordered list. For that you need to create another unordered list inside your ordered list, and son of John, second son of John. So you can now, let's refresh the page. So now you can see that I have created a sub unordered list inside this order list. So for that you can also change the format of this. If you want to change it into circle, so it will automatically replace that. Okay, so the next step we have is order list. So we have already seen unordered list, and this tag we will look at order lists that will be shown in the sequence wise 1, 2, 3 or another formats. So we will see the different attributes used for that. So let's see. For that we need to create a file order underscore list.html, and we need to create a basic skeleton for that and rename that with order list. and now we will create our we will write our code over here. So for order list, you need to write OL, means the tag used for that. OL mean order list, and we need to create li for that. Li mean list, and you can write your names for that, like John. Copy paste John Smith, Ali. Copy paste Jahangir. Okay, so these are the lists that I want to create as an order list. So let's see the result. So what I need to do, I need to copy the path and paste over here, and let's refresh the page. So I can see that by default it comes in the list format, in order list format. So I want to change this list into Roman. So what I need to do, I just need to write the type. Just you need to come here and just write 1. So by default it is 1 2 3, and I want to create it into capital letters, so it will be sequenced as A B C D. If you want to make the sequence as a small letters, so you need to refresh the page. And what I need to do, let me do something else. You have to see the magic for that. You need to copy and paste this, and paste this, and paste this, and paste this. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to write capital A for that, and small a or small letter for that, and I want to write Roman, and for Roman you have to write capital I and a small I, small letter. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to refresh the page, and now you can see the magic. So this is the sequence wise 1 2 3, and this on the second number we can see that it is a capital letters, and it is in small letter, it is in Roman, and also in small letters Roman. So this is how we can change the different types of unordered lists. So you can also create order and unorder mixed. So what we need to do, if I want to create unorder inside order link, what I need to do, ul, you have to write your ul inside Ali, and for Ali I want to write his address, and I need to write his mobile name, and something else, country. So let's refresh the page. So you can see that I have created order inside unorder, unordered list inside order list. So now you can do, and you can make changes in others also. The next tag we have is a definition list. Definition list, if you want to define any term, or you want to define any term and explain that, so we have both definition term, and we have also its description tag. So the specific tag is being defined for that. So let's discuss how does it work.